Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is May 4th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at the charts here, the S&P 500 E-mini futures are trading lower by 13 points to 2044 per contract. What you're going to see here is that this is the second day in a row that the markets are coming under pressure, so we'll see how it plays out. Again, markets seem to catch a bid midday, or once we go to the lunchtime hour, markets do seem to move higher. Yesterday we're down very, very sharp, and then it did rally up off of the lows, still finishing negative, but not terribly. So we'll see if today is more like that. Again, we have lots of stocks in the news. That's what we're going to focus on first and foremost. Let's take a look at our first equity here. We're going to start the day off with Priceline. Ticker symbol is PCLN. And you're going to see this stock is getting absolutely hammered today. Closed at $1,354, now trading at $1,250. It did briefly trade as low as $1,180 before rebounding. So again, Priceline getting hit on the chin today. That is a pretty big decline. We will have gap levels for that. So again, tune into the intraday stock chat room at 9 o'clock. Take a 7-day free trial if you haven't done it already, and you'll get all of our gap plays there. In sympathy to Priceline, what you're going to look for is EXpedia. That is trading down as well. That closed at $115.97. It is trading at $115.50 this morning. So, again, EXpedia is trading lower, but I will have levels for both equities today in the intraday stock chat room. Next up, I want to talk about ticker symbol GOLD, which is Rand Gold. You're going to see this stock is trading at $88.05, closed at $95.66 yesterday. So this is a big move down after earnings. So I will have levels for this one as well. And I think we have a good chance of getting this down to our gap level to play this. So again, if you haven't done so yet, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can see everything that we are doing and trade right alongside of us in the chat room. Let's take a look at TASR, which is TASR. I don't know the news here. I'm assuming it's earnings. It's been all over the map. Stock right now looks like it's trading at $17.52. Close at $17.80. We're not going to make much out of that, but we will keep it on the radar today. Let's take a look at Illumina, ILMN. You're going to see this is trading lower, closed at $133.65. Now trading at $127.50. We're going to keep this one on the radar today. If this does move lower, I have some levels that are decent, a little bit lower from here. So, again, we'll keep that on the radar today, but that will be in play. Let's take a look at another earnings play, MPEL, which is Melcro Entertainment gaming stock. Stock closed at $15.25. Did sell out off after earnings yesterday, but has come back to basically the flat line right now. So we'll keep this one on the radar. We'll see how it plays out. Nothing we're going to look to do with it at the moment. Let's take a look at Zillow Group. Ticker symbol is ZG. You're going to see the stock is trading at $29.85. Closed at $25.72. I have to say it is overbought already. So be very, very careful here at this point in time. I would not be chasing this stock higher. If you own it, trail the stop loss immediately. If you do not own it, steer clear. There's no real reason to jump in on this name at this point in time. Let's take a look at MDVN. And this is Medivation. It looks like the stock is trading decently higher this morning. Closed at $57.50, now trading at $59.66. This is coming out on news that Pfizer, this is a rumor, that Pfizer is going to make an offer for the company. So I don't know how true it is, but either way, again, you want to know about it. Just so the stock is doing well. If you own it, just trail the stop loss. Nothing really to do here. Let's take a look at Time Warner. TWX is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading decently higher. Right now it's trading at around $75.50, closed at $73.64. If this stock gets to $79 or pierces $79, I think it's a short. So I'm just going to give that out right now. Let's take a look at another media stock, CBS. Stock is trading at $56.50, closed at $55.66. So it's up ticked almost $1. Again, this is another one. I just don't see a lot of upside. If it gets to $57.50, that would probably be the extent of it. Potentially look for a reversal around that level. Let's take a look at NutriSystem. NTRI is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $26.43, closed at $22.76. That's a great pop higher for NutriSystem. Again, I don't see any more upside. It looks overbought to me. Around $26.50 is where this thing should stall out and again, it may have already stalled already. Let's take a look at CAR, which is Avis Budget, and what you're going to see here is stock is trading at 24.60. They already guided lower, so don't make too much out of this one. If it rallies up, I suppose it could go as high as $28, but I don't see it getting above there, and quite frankly, I'm not even sure it gets there. So we'll see how that plays out. But we will keep these stocks and others on our radar today. Let's take a look at BHP Billiton. This stock is getting whacked this morning. Stock closed at $29.57. It is trading at $27.90. It looks like they're getting hit with a $43 billion bill for some pollution that they caused with Vale in Brazil. So again, that stock is under some pressure. If it gets to 25, though, it looks like it could be a scalp bounce higher. So keep that one on the radar today. It's higher risk with the news surrounding it, but again, if it gets to 25, that's where it starts to look a little desirable. Let's take a look at Rio Tinto, which is not involved, but that stock is trading lower as well in sympathy. So if that got to 28, I would look at Rio Tinto today for a bounce play. Let's take a look at PZZA, and this is Papa John's. Right now, the stock is trading at $53.75, closed at $55.62. So decent little dip. 53 is still going to be some intraday support. If it breaks through there, watch out. This could go a lot lower. But right now, 53 seems to be holding up. So we'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at BUD, which is good old Anheuser-Busch InBev. You're going to see this is trading at $121, closed at $124.97. So this is down, ticking a little bit. I have support for this equity at $119 today. Let's take a look at Cray. And this is a tech stock getting hammered today, closed at $38.91. It is now trading at $30.85. This stock is a very light volume name, so it can overshoot. When I say light volume name, what I really mean by that is it rarely trades a million shares a day. On an average day, it'll trade between 200 and 500,000 shares. So when you see a stock like that and it's down, it can go a lot lower. The level I'm thinking is 26 and a quarter. So if it gets down to 26 and a quarter, if you're gutsy, you want to play it there, that would be a spot where you could step in intraday. Other than that, leave it alone. But again, I do like the level at 26 and a quarter at this point in time. So we'll see how that plays out. All right, let's take a look here at the gold market. Gold is down $3.20 to 12.88.5 per ounce, and then we have crude oil higher by 62 cents to $44.27 a barrel. So again, we'll be watching crude today, we'll be watching gold today, and we'll see how it plays out. Right now, the S&P 500 E-mini futures are trading lower by 14.5 points. So we'll see if this market continues to decline a little bit here, or does it find support magically right around the 11:30 hour like it does every day. All right, with that being said, have a great trading day, everyone. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing all morning long, and I'll have gap plays posted up at 9 a.m. With that being said, have a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.